In front of me is a NOKIA 6.1, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. So the easiest way to do it would be pull down the notification panel and you will see the battery saver icon right here. You can simply just tap on it. Now also you can do it by holding it and you will get taken straight to the settings of it. And from here have battery saver is on, and you can choose the percentage at which it will start affecting, or like when it's going to automatically turn on. So if I now disable, or right now it's on automatic, now if I turn this off, it will be still on automatic and basically turn on whenever, for instance right now, whenever the battery reaches 27%, it will turn it on itself. And you can, like I said, do it manually as well by toggling it on like that. So that is how you would enable the power saving mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.